Now here it is. According to this map, we should be able to capture the Wildman of Borneo right here.
How, Captain?
What's the most appealing, crunchy, irresistible thing you know?
Captain Crunch cereal!
Right, and that's how we capture the Wildman. First, I fill a bowl with this new sugar-sweet cereal that's made really crunchy. Then I pour on the milk.
But suppose the wild man doesn't show up right away.
Never fear. Captain Crunch stays crunchy even after you pour on the milk. Shh, somebody's coming.
Grab him! Gee, it's Carlisle! And he ate all of Captain Crunch.
Well, I'm afraid we'll never get the Wildman of Borneo now.
And he'll never get to taste the new Captain Crunch cereal.
And that's what makes me so wild.